GK quiz, multiple choice question, biology, environmental issues, part 1. 50 questions. Which one of the following disease is not caused due to contamination of water? Hepatitis B, jaundice, cholera, typhoid. The correct answer is hepatitis B. Compressed natural gas CNG is methane, propane, ethane, butane. The correct answer is methane. Which is the world's most problematic aquatic weed? Trapa, Iconia, Azolla, Bolfia. The correct answer is Iconia. Which of the following exhibits biomagnification? SO2, mercury, DDT, both A and C. The correct answer is both A and C. Which of the following material takes the longest time for biodegradation? Jute, bone, cotton, paper. The correct answer is bone. Among the following, which one causes maximum indoor chemical pollution? Burning cooking gas, burning mosquito coil, burning coal, room spray. The correct answer is burning coal. What is the major source of noise pollution in the world? Transport system, sugar, textile and paper industries, oil refineries and thermal power plant, office equipments. The correct answer is oil refineries and thermal power plant. The loudness of sound that a person can withstand without discomfort is about 150 dB, 110 dB, 30 dB, 80 dB. The correct answer is 80 dB. Which of the following impurities is easiest to remove from the wastewater? Bacteria, suspended solid, colloids, dissolved solids. The correct answer is suspended solids. The Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act came into force in year 1991, 1961, 1981, 1971. The correct answer is 1981. In which year Montreal Protocol was passed? 1986, 1987, 1988, 1989. The correct answer is 1987. Eutrophication of water bodies leading to killing of fishes is mainly due to non-availability of oxygen, food, light, essential minerals. The correct answer is oxygen. Which of the following is the most suitable indicator SO2 pollution in the environment? Fungi, algae, conifers, lichens. The correct answer is lichens. In which year World Ozone Day is celebrated? 16th September, 17th September, 21st April, 16th March. The correct answer is 16th September. Ozone layer is present in which zone of atmosphere? Troposphere, ionosphere, mesosphere, stratosphere. The correct answer is stratosphere. Which particulate size is most harmful? 1.5 um or less, 2.5 um or less, 1.0 um or less, 5.2 um, dash 2.5 um. The correct answer is 2.5 um or less. The Chipko movement was launched for protection of livestock, wetlands, grasslands, forests. The correct answer is forests. Which one is the correct percentage of greenhouse gases? CO 40%, CFC 20%, CFC 14%, methane 20%, methane 20%, NO 25%, NO 6%, CO2 80%. The correct answer is CFC 40%, methane 20%. Biochemical oxygen demand may not be good index for water bodies receiving effluents from petroleum industry, domestic sewage, sugar industry, dairy industry. The correct answer is petroleum industry. Which gas is responsible for increase in atmospheric temperature? O2, CO2, SO2, CO. The correct answer is CO2. Which of these places in India has the highest levels of air pollution? Mumbai, Delhi, Jaipur, Gujarat. The correct answer is Delhi. Which human system does air pollution affect? Respiratory system, digestive system, excretory system, circulatory system. The correct answer is respiratory system. In which year the Government of India has passed the Environmental Protection Act? 1965, 1985, 1986, 1972. The correct answer is 1986. According to an estimate, substantial fall in CO2 and SO2 level is found in Delhi between 2007 and 2016, 1983 and 1993, 1990 and 1995, 1997 and 2005. The correct answer is 1997 and 2005. In which year Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act was passed? 1986, 1976, 1984, 1974. The correct answer is 1974. Which metals are recovered during the recycling process of e-waste? Iron, nickel, copper, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Which chemical substance affect the ozone layer? Chlorofluorocarbon, hexafluorocarbon, chlorine, molecular carbon. The correct answer is chlorofluorocarbon. In 1984, Bhopal gas tragedy took place because methyl isocyanate reacted with DDT, CO2, water, ammonia. The correct answer is water. Which of the following is secondary pollutant? PAN, CO2, SO2, NO2. The correct answer is PAN. Which of the following is used as windbreak? Mangifera, Prosopis, Deinonyx, Eucalyptus. The correct answer is Prosopis. In human beings, anoxia is caused due to N2O, CO2, NO2, CO. The correct answer is CO. Minamata disease was caused due to the consumption of fish contaminated with mercury, oyster with lot of pesticides, seafood containing a lot of cadmium, seafood contaminated with selenium. The correct answer is fish contaminated with mercury. Which is normally not an air pollutant? CO, SO2, CO2, hydrocarbons. The correct answer is CO2. Maximum greenhouse gas released by which country? China, India, USA, UK. The correct answer is China. Which of the following is not used for disinfection of drinking water? Chloramine, phenyl, ozone, chlorine. The correct answer is phenyl. Which of the following is absent in polluted water? Hydrilla, water hyacinth, blue-green algae, larva of stonefly. The correct answer is larva of stonefly. Which chemicals increase growth of aquatic organism? Nitrogen and phosphorus, calcium and iron, nitrogen and calcium, nitrogen and iron. The correct answer is nitrogen and phosphorus. Thinning of eggshell and their premature is due to eutrophication, global warming, greenhouse effect, biological magnification. The correct answer is biological magnification. Which of the following is not responsible for pollution? SO2, solar energy, wood, unsaturated carbon. The correct answer is solar energy. BOD of a river was found to be very low. This means the water contained algae, contained wastage, was clean, was polluted. The correct answer is was clean. What causes the warmth on the surface of the earth? Greenhouse effect, geothermal energy, solar radiation, all above. The correct answer is greenhouse effect. Aging of lag is accelerated by culture eutrophication, biological magnification, biological accumulation, algal bloom. The correct answer is cultural eutrophication. What is full form of FOAM? Friends of Arctic Marsh, Friends of Antarctic Marsh, form of Ekata Marsh, Friends of Ekata Marsh. The correct answer is Friends of Ekata Marsh. In which cities EcoSan toilets are working? Chennai and Sri Lanka, Tamil Nadu and Kerala, Kerala and Sri Lanka, Kullu and Kerala. The correct answer is Kerala and Sri Lanka. Exoskeleton of Periplaneta is protected due to calcium carbonate, chitin, chitin, mucus. The correct answer is chitin. Head of the cockroach is formed by the fusion of dash segments 6, 4, 2, 8. The correct answer is 6. Chipko movement is associated with prevention of cutting of trees, air pollution, river pollution, construction of dams. The correct answer is cutting of trees. On the lateral side of alimentary canal of cockroach, dash glands are found. Salivary, acid secreting, digestive, reproductive. The correct answer is salivary. What do you mean by term zoom? Crop cultivation, social forestry, large scale agriculture, shifting cultivation. The correct answer is shifting cultivation. Noise was recognized as air pollutant through amendment of dash Environmental Act, Air Act, Noise Act, all of above. The correct answer is Environmental Act. Thank you. Please subscribe and share.